Hi! Our big idea this week is, what will we find when we go out to explore the world? And our theme selections go right along with that. Today's first theme selection is The Handiest Things in the World by Andrew Clements, and photographs are by Raquel Jaramillo. So let's take a look and let's dive in. I love the cover. What does the boy have in his hand? This book today is going to be paired with another piece of informational text called Discover with Tools. So let's dive in and see what this is all about. The title page, Andrew Clements, The Handiest Things in the World. Photographs by Raquel Jaramillo. Of all the handy things there are, the hand itself is best by far. To grab, to hold, to pull or twist. The hand itself is the handiest. But other things are handy too. Just look around, you'll see it's true. Which things are handiest for you? Depends on what you need to do. The things I want to show you here, things old and new from far and near. They all came from a simple plan. The hand is where they all began. Have you ever done handprints like that? Let's take a look. Mealtime happens every day. Keep your fingers clean this way. Instead of using your hands, you could use what? That's a tool. Chopsticks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add, subtract, then add again. Two wet hands can hold and pour. This will pour a whole lot more. Instead of using your hands, you could use this tool. Oh, let's go back. A watering can, right? Raindrops falling from the sky. This will help to keep you dry. What is that? An umbrella. Wish I might, wish I may. Sweep this dusty stuff away. Looks like they did some wood carving and they want to dust it up. You could use your hands or you could use a small sweeping broom, a brush, and a dustpan as tools. Handmade shade for squinty eyes. This will help with sunny skies. So what is he using? Oh, a baseball cap. Digging in and scooping down. Let's move lots of dirt around. So you could get your hands dirty, or you could also use this small trowel or shovel to pick up the dirt. Tidy is the way to be. This will help enormously. So you could use your fingers, but you could also use what is she using? A comb. Flap a hand and make a breeze. Push more air with one of these. What is she using? What tool is she using? A fan. Tap in rhythm. Keep the beat. Work with these and make some heat. So you could use your hands, or you could use some drumsticks. What's the width or length or height? This thing always gets it right. So what are they using there? Can you tell? It looks to me like a very long ruler. It isn't a yardstick. It only goes to 24 inches. So it is a very long ruler that could help them measure. Sticky fingers make a mess. Mixers make the mess much less. Or would you like to get your hands in that mess, or would you like to use one of these mixers? Waves will wash these words away. Write this way and the words will stay. So you could use your fingers to write in the sand, or you could use your crayons as tools on paper and it won't go away. Many years have come and gone. Our hands keep working on and on. And as the future years unfold, new handy tools will grip or hold. Whatever we may need to do, one fact remains forever true. For sharing love with tenderness, the hand itself is the handiest. Oh, how sweet. So, no tool replacements for a nice hand holding with mom, right? So let's take a look at our second piece of informational text entitled Discover with Tools. Discover close up. Tools help us to discover things. A magnifying glass is a tool. It makes things look bigger. So this boy is looking at a leaf close up and he can see everything close up with his magnifying glass. Discover far away. Objects in space are far away. A telescope makes them look closer. It can help you see the moon and the stars. Look at that. Discover long ago. Scientists used tools to dig up dinosaur bones. A brush and a chisel clean away the dirt. Scientists study the bones to find out more about the past. Here is a scientist and she is cleaning off these dinosaur bones. How exciting, right? Discover something new. Scientists use tools to find new medicines. A microscope helps to make things larger. We could never see some things without a microscope. Can you think of something that we might not be able to see without a microscope? Can you remember our hand washing book, our hand washing magazine? Maybe germs, right? Discover on your own. Find the tool the children in the picture are using. What do you think they will discover? What things would you like to discover? So I want you to think about this, discuss that with your chat partner at home. Let's also take a closer look at the questions that you might want to discuss. What are some tools from the book that you think are very handy. So think back through both of the selections today and think of a tool that one of the children was using that might be handy. What tool from the book helps us to water the flowers? What was that called? What tools help us to keep things neat and tidy? Can you think of one? Maybe there's more than one. So think about that, talk it over with your chat partner at home, and then we're going to discuss these books in group today, and we're going to be able to expand on our discussion by writing in our close reading journal. Great. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.